Hi guys, we are reading the April Monthly, Chapter 6, Symbol Supported Version. Keisha thinks about what she needs to buy. She wants to make a budget. Keisha asks her mother for help. Keisha and her mother sit down. They work on a budget. A budget will help Keisha reach her goal. So they are going to write down what Keisha wants to buy and what Keisha needs to save for so she can reach her goal of living in an apartment. A budget shows how much money you can earn. A budget shows how much money you earn. Keisha earns $190 every other day. Keisha puts $190 on her budget. A budget shows how much money you spend. Keisha will buy clothes and lunch. She writes down these things. So if you look, her income is $90. She wants to save for an apartment, and she wants to spend money on a phone, clothes, and lunch. Now Keisha must make choices. Keisha will save $150 for an apartment. She will have $40 left. Keisha must make more choices. She wants to buy lunch 6 times. She will not have enough money. That is not a good choice. Keisha chooses to buy lunch 1 time. So instead of 6 times costing her $50, she just went 1 time for $15. So now she has her budget. Keisha is done with her budget. She will save money. Keisha can buy some fun things. Keisha will make good choices with her money. So she had $40. She decided not to buy the phone. She's spending $25 on clothes, $15 on lunch, and $150 for her apartment. You can do it, Keisha. You have a plan for your future. Keisha smiles. She will work hard to reach her goal. Okay, y'all, that was it for chapter 6. I cannot believe April is almost over. I hope you have a great rest of your day.